Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the Whalefall Canyon main story quest if you miss the Call of Whales event. So the Call of Whales event in Heartopia has already ended right now, but don't worry, Whalefall Canyon map is still available and this map will become a permanent area in the game. So if you are a new player and you are confused about how to complete the quest when you first enter this map, here's what you need to do. First, just enter the Whalefall Canyon map like this. You can go to this map through the portal at the the whale sea near the whale sea. The portal located on here. Just go to this area, and then next just go to this Whalefall Canyon map through that portal, and then after you successfully go to this map, just open the Whalefall Canyon menu by tap on this shell icon, this one. Just tap on it, and then in here just tap on the map main story, this one, and then in here you will see the several quests that you need to complete. After that, just simply tap on accept on here. Just tap on accept the quest, and then after that just follow the directions that provided for its quest, and the game will guide you to specific NPC or collectible items. So you basically just need to follow the quest marker and directions on here. And in here, unfortunately, I can't show every step here because I'm an old player and I have already completed this main story quest. But in here, I can still show a few steps that I recorded previously. Like like in here when I when I complete natural gallery quest, first you just need to follow the directions, starting with talking the NPC Rory, and then after that you just need to investigate the gallery like this by finding the items like this. Just follow the directions on here. And then after you complete the investigation quest, you just need to talk Rory again and the quest will be complete. And then after that, once you have completed all the main story on here, you will be able to freely explore this map, the Whalefall Canyon map. And okay, that's it. That's how you can complete all the main story in this Whalefall Canyon. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!